All right, what's up, everybody? Ryan here with Trade Travel Invest. Is December 30th, 6 a.m. my time, 8 a.m. Eastern time. We're going to go ahead and get started and see what type of setups we got for today. So let's see what our highest paying pairs are. Looks like EuroCAD's our highest paying, so let's check that one out. Yep, EuroCAD hit our upper Bollinger Band, and now we're on a little drop. So I would anticipate this one's probably going to pull down to this middle band right here. So let's take a look at our 5 minute. 5 minutes been on a big uptrend overall, so it's probably due for a pullback soon. And that pullback looks like it's happening already on the 1 minute. So now we can go to our 5-second chart, and we can see EuroCAD is dropping. So let's have our 30-second expiration pulled up on EuroCAD. So everyone want to hurry up and pull that up. Looks like we have a potential setup coming. And let's go ahead and place one 30-second put right here. So I got one 30-second put in right there on EuroCAD. I was trying to get it in at the middle band, but we got just below it. Should be a good entry still. So we're anticipating that it's going to bounce off this middle band area and continue the downtrend that it's been dropping on. So let's see what happens here, and then we'll move on to our next setup. We might be breaking even. Let's see. Nope. Let's win it. I think we want it. I think we want it. It's either a win or a break even. Let's see. What? Oh, I lost it actually. So apparently I lost that one. So that's all right. We'll make it back on the next trade. Looks like on the 1 minute chart, it's hesitating. It doesn't really want to drop too much further. So chances are, and it's starting to form that doji. So chances are we're going to continue this uptrend that it's been on the 1 minute chart. So now we can go ahead and look at our 5 minute chart or 5-second chart, and we can see that it did break above my middle band here. So now I can anticipate potential calls. So I'm going to get ready for 2 call entries. So I'm going to go 2 call entries right here, 30-second calls. So I got 2 30-second calls just below that middle band because it broke above my middle band here. So I'm anticipating that hopefully it will continue to push upwards here. And the reason why I did 2 trades is we previously just lost 1. So we want to cover that 1 loss with 2 wins. And you, so throughout my sessions, don't ever change your trade amount. Leave it the same the whole time, and then just up your positions. So like it might get confusing if you try and change your trade amount throughout the session. I would highly suggest just leaving it at 1 set amount for the day, and then if you lose 1 trade, you just do 2 trades in the next one. If you lose 3 trades, you do 4 trades in the next one. But there's our first win for the day. So we covered our loss plus put a little bit of profit. So we lost $10 on the first trade. So we bet 2 $10 trades on the next one, and we made $9 on each of those. So we technically made an $18 profit, but considering the $10 loss, we made $8 off of these 3 trades. So even with a little loss, we still end up in profit. EuroCAD does look like it's about to go up now. So let's take a look at our 5-second chart. And it looks like we're going to have a potential call out opportunity. So let's go ahead and place 1 30-second call right here. So I just placed 1 30-second call on EuroCAD. So a call is the same thing as a buy, and then a put is the same thing as a sell. Just so you guys are aware if anybody's brand new. So with options trading, we want it to, if it's a call, we want it to close above our entry, and if it's a put, we want it to close below. Looks like we are going to win this one. We just spiked up the last second, and it looks like we cleared this one as well. Drop a 1 in the chat if you guys cleared that one as well. Looks like it was a nice clear after in the last couple seconds there. So we did get the initial move we were anticipating, which was that it was going to bounce off this middle band here. Nice job. Lots of 1s in the chat. So it looks like Dave cleared it, Nick cleared it, Keone cleared it, Dirty Bird cleared it, Rosemary cleared it, Dave cleared it, Denver's cleared it, Jackie cleared it, Jenny cleared it, Chris cleared it, Dave cleared it, Fernando cleared it. Nice job, guys. All right, let's go ahead and place 1 more 30-second call right here. My entry would have been so perfect if I got on. When I called it, it was at the bottom wick, but we got in right at the middle band. We'll see if we get another rejection 1 more time. currently we are 3 wins with 1 loss. So let's see that move upwards. Looks like this one might be a loss. Oh, can we get it? Can we get it? Can we get it? Oh, just barely. You guys might have won that one. It actually spiked up the last second there. Let me know if you guys cleared that. If you guys entered like a little bit after me, you probably won. Mike cleared that. Nice job. Yeah, it looks like everybody else cleared it except me.
Nope, I'm frozen. My whole thing is completely.
What was that?
My pocket option froze.
Oh,
so,
did it?
Yep.
Yeah, I just noticed that my 1 minute chart is tweaking out here. I don't know what's going on with the 1 minute chart right now. But EuroCAD still looks like it's going to go up. My 5 second chart, this is a pretty nice uptrend going on. So I'm going to see if we can possibly get some calls in still. So I personally lost one trade on the last one, so I'm going to be looking to take 2 trades on the next one. But if you guys won the last one, then just do 1 trade on the next setup. All right, I'm going to get ready to enter. I'm waiting for it to drop down to my middle band, and then I'm trying to enter 2 calls. But like I said, if you guys won the last one, you can just do 1 entry on this one. All right, I'm going 2 of them right here. So I got 2 calls in right at the middle band, and we instantly spiked into profit. So hopefully we'll continue to push up and bounce off that middle band area. Definitely teetering in and out right now with all these wicks going on. So we'll probably move on to a different currency pair after this one clears. Just keep on moving up. Just keep moving up. All right, looks like we're about to clear this one in profit and closing out right now. I tied 1 and 1-1. Let me know how you guys did on that one. It was either a win or a tie, basically. No one should have lost that though. All right, nice job. Looks like lots of 1s, some ties. So with a tie, you get all your money back, so there's no loss, there's no gain. But as you guys can see on EuroCAD right now on our 5 second chart, this is consolidation. This is what we call consolidation. It's when the market is just pushing sideways. So when the market's just pushing sideways, typically with binary options, you want to stay away from that market. So we are currently 1, 2, 3, 4 wins and 2 losses, and then 1 tie. So let's go ahead and move on to a different currency pair. Let's see what other setups we got. I wish Pocket Option would fix its charts right now so I can actually analyze what's going on.
Last time that happened to me, I had to kind of reset the entire website.
Sometimes it just happens, I've noticed, and then like after a few minutes, it'll go back to normal. I'm not sure what causes that, but all right, everyone want to pull up OddCAD? Everyone hurry up and pull up OddCAD. Let's go ahead and enter 1 30-second put right here. I was trying to get in at that middle band, got in just barely below it. But we should still have a pretty good entry on this one where I'm anticipating it's going to bounce off this middle band right here and push to the downside. But we're just taking it slow, doing 1 trade at a time. So let's get that drop we're looking for. It's just moving sideways right now. And it looks like we tied it. Yeah, I tied mine. That one just basically pushed sideways the entire time. And we can see on our 1 minute chart that we did get a doji above our middle band. So it looks like price is about to push up here. So we can go ahead and possibly look for some calls on OddCAD. And then you had to restart her whole computer because the lag was bad. Yeah, sometimes the lag is an issue with the broker sometimes, but not much we can do about that. All right, so everyone be ready on OddCAD. I'm potentially looking for some calls. So I want to see it pull down to my middle band, and then ideally I would like to take it up from there. Looks like we might have missed our initial move. So let's just have our 30-second expiration ready for if it does drop down, then we can get a good entry spot for a 30-second call. So everyone just be ready. These candles are very small, so this shows me it's pretty a weak move to the downside, and it's most likely not going to drop very far. So we'll probably go up from here after this. So let's be ready. All right, let's go ahead and enter calls right here. I just did 2 calls. So I just entered 2 calls on AutoCAD for 30 seconds. And hopefully we'll reject off this middle band, push to the upside here. We did get a little drop, but let's see what happens here. It's kind of hesitating now, so hopefully we get that spike up. It wants to. Ooh, it keeps hesitating. Man. All right, so that one, ooh, looked like it almost broke even at the last second there, but it didn't. I lost that one, so. And on my 5-second chart is below my middle band now. So I'm potentially going to look for some puts. So I'm going to go ahead and actually enter 30-second puts right here. Oh, that lag definitely got me a not as good an entry as I was anticipating. I tried to get in at the top of those wicks, but hopefully we still get that drop we're looking for. Markets are not moving very fast today. Kind of very slow markets. Kind of pushing sideways today, seems. But looks like we're about to clear this one in profit. So right there's 4 wins. So I just cleared 4 wins to cover my last 2 losses. I always go a little bit heavier on the next trade every time I lose a trade setup. So as you guys can see, we covered that loss, plus put ourselves a little bit into profit again. So let's see what we're at. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 wins, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 losses. 8 wins, 4 losses, and we got a couple ties. So we're 8 and 4 currently. I don't like the look of AutoCAD, because if you look at the 1-minute chart, it's just consolidating, moving sideways, and like I said, kind of want to stay away from that market with binary. So let's go ahead and look at a different currency pair. Nick's already up 19% today. Awesome. It's killer. All right, EuroCAD, beautiful uptrend on our 5-minute and 15-minute chart. Looks like a majority of that trend already happened, but we might be able to get one more possible move to the upside here. See what our 5-second chart looks like. 5-second chart looks a little bit sporadic, but it did just break above my middle band, so it looks like price is probably going to go up from here. So let's be ready with EuroCAD on our 30-second expiration. Let's have our 30-second expiration ready. I almost entered on that. Next little drop. All right, here we go. 30-second call right here. 2 of them. I got one way at the bottom and then one way up here. So hopefully, usually when you see one of those big spikes, it'll correct itself and shoot right back up. So that's what I'm trying to see if that happens here. So there we go. There's that correction spike back up, and hopefully we'll clear both of these as a win. But we got that entry way down here. That should be a good entry. Hopefully we get the top one too, though. Looks like we did not clear the top one, but we got the bottom one. So it looks like this is going to be basically a break-even trade, because we won the bottom one but lost the top one. So technically I lost $1 on that trade. All right, our 1-minute chart did break through the middle band to the downside. So let's go ahead and place a 30-second put right here. I just did one 30-second put. So I have one 30-second put on EuroCAD. I'm actually going to go ahead and enter one more right here. So I got 2 30-second 30-second puts on EuroCAD right now. It looks like we're starting to get that drop that we're looking for. Get one more little push, we'll get that bottom entry. Nope. It looks like we got a spike to the upside on this one. So let's see if we can get a spike back down and get the bottom entry though. No, we did not clear that one. So I lost 2 entries on this last one there. So next trade setup, I'll be looking to take three entries. So let's see what other setups we got. EuroGBP just gave us a nice doji candle at our bottom Bollinger Band. We're also seeing a cross on our stochastic. Looks like price is about to go up. On our 5-minute chart, price has been on a little exhaustion drop, but overall you can see that it's been on an uptrend. So this looks like it's probably going to go up as well. And it looks like we're just starting to break above that middle band currently right now. We broke above for the first time, and I got to see right now if this is going to continue to break to the upside. If it does, and it breaks above my middle band here, then I'm going to be looking for calls. But it's still below it right now, so I'm not going to look for the calls yet. Because it could still drop a little bit before we see that initial move to the upside. Definitely looks like it's hesitating and it wants to go up from here because these moves to the downside are getting very weak. Let's see what entry spot we can get in here. So like I said, I lost 2 entries on the last one, so I'm going to be looking to take 3 entries on the next setup. One minute definitely looks like it's hesitating. It wants to start pushing up here. So let's be patient, wait for our entry spot. See how slow these markets are moving today? Yeah, we'll probably try to get our profits and then be out for the day because markets are barely moving today. All right, there's that initial move to the upside that we're looking for. So let's see if we can get an entry spot now to ride this 30-second call. So let's be ready with our 30-second expiration. And make sure you guys are on EuroGBP. I would like to see it pulled down to my middle band here, and then if that happens, we can definitely get an entry in for a call. So here's our, looks like it's starting to make that drop, hopefully, and give us our entry. So we might want to keep moving though. It might move pretty fast to the upside now because now it's making that break. Oh, here we go. Here we go. All right, let's go 30-second calls right here. So I got 30-second calls on EuroGBP, right at the bottom wick, and then we retracted right back up into profit on that one. So actually, we got a really good entry spot on that. And this is a beautiful, beautiful setup. But hopefully you guys can see what I was looking at. This nice uptrend, wait for that pull down, and then as soon as we are patient enough, wait for that exhaustion cycle, we can get our entry in and ride that wave back up. So we just got 4 wins right there. Like I said, I wanted to cover these 2 losses, so I always put a little bit more on the next trade if I lose. So just like that, we just cleared 4 wins. Drop a 1 in the chat if you guys just cleared a nice setup there. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 wins, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 13 and 7 currently. Yeah, everyone should have cleared that last setup. That was a perfect entry spot. Nick got his 20% gains for today, and he's already out. Awesome job, man. Congrats on that. And he's also on his live account, so that's awesome. All right, EuroGBP is making that break through my middle band. It looks like on my 1-minute chart. 5-minute chart also continuing its nice uptrend that it's been on. So now we can go back to our 5-second chart and we can see if we can ride this wave up. So clearly it's been on a really nice push to the upside. So we'll wait for that exhaustion cycle to the downside, get our entry in close to that middle band, and try to get a little bit more 30-second calls in here. Oh, never mind. I just dropped to 61%. So never mind. No point of risking it for only 61. But EuroCAD does look like it's doing. Oh, that's never mind. I thought it was on the 1-minute chart. 1-minute chart on EuroCAD's pushing up. 5 minutes been pushing up pretty solid as well. And our 5-second chart just looks a little too sloppy for me. With this break through the middle band, I don't like the look of that. So I'm not really seeing any good setup there. 1 minute looks like a beautiful downtrend on CAD CHF. Same thing on the 5-minute, beautiful downtrend. So let's take a look at our 5-second chart now. Same thing on the 5-second chart though here. Make that little break above my middle band, which kind of shows me that price might get ready to push upward soon. It's been on such a big downtrend. So I don't really see a good trade setup just yet. I would like to wait a few minutes and see what this setup is going to do here. I'll come back to that one. OddCAD just broke above my middle band. Same thing on 1-minute chart is pushing upwards. 5-minute chart is pushing upwards as well. But it looks like all of these charts were all at our upper band already. A lot of them are already in that zone where the majority of the move already happened. But it looks like on OddCAD on our 5-second chart, we are getting an initial break to the upside. We did play above the middle band, and then we see this breakout right now. 1-minute chart wants to move up. So let's see if we can ride this wave up with a couple more calls. So let's be patient, wait for the drop down. Now let's see if we can get 30-second calls in. And I'll just be doing one entry on this one. Keep it light, slow and steady. Looks like it's about to go up from here. It doesn't look like it's going to drop very far, so I'm probably going to enter pretty soon. But let's just wait and see if we can get a better entry spot. Almost. So as you guys can see, this is definitely consolidation, just completely moving sideways. But here we go. Let's go 1 30-second call right here. So I got 1 30-second call on OddCAD there, right beneath my middle band. Hopefully we'll see that bounce off of that middle band area and we'll push it to profit on this one. Keep on going. It wants to. It wants to. It's like on break even right now. There we go. All right, there's the spike we're looking for. And it looks like we just cleared it. Let's see. Did we clear it or break even? I think I won it. Yeah, I won mine. Let me know if you guys cleared that one or broke even. It was either a clear or a break even. But that put us at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 wins and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 14 and 7. So we're if you guys are aiming for that 5% mark, we just smashed that goal already. Let's go ahead and place 1 30-second put right here on OddCAD. So I just placed 1 30-second put on OddCAD. Let's see if we can get this drop off this middle band here and continue the downtrend that it's been on back here. So we just moved into profit on this one. But as you guys can see, this markets are teetering in and out like crazy today. A lot of sideways movement today. but it looks like we cleared this one as well. Drop a 1 if you guys cleared that. Should have been a decent win for you guys. Shannon's 13-7. Nice job. 14-7 now. Lots of ones in the chat. Can't even keep up with everybody. It's a good problem to have. Too many profits are going on. So let's see if we can get like 1 or 2 more setups. And if I see good setups, I'll take them. But if not, then I'm pretty content with just a pretty light session today to end the month strong. We had an awesome December month. Everyone pull up GBP odd. Let's go 1 30-second put right here. Everyone pull up GBP odd. I just placed a 30-second put. If you guys entered a little bit after me, no worries, because you probably had a little bit even of a better entry than I did. But hopefully we'll get that rejection to the downside, because previously we were on a nice downtrend. So let's get that spike we're looking for. Oh, come on, keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh man, so close, so close. Did we get it? Did we get it? I think I won it. Let's see. Oh no, I lost it. They considered that one a loss. But if you guys entered a couple seconds after, you guys definitely won that. Nice. Looks like a lot of other people won that. I would much rather you guys win and get your profits. I'm not worried about my one little loss. Let's see if we have any more setups. CAD CHF looks like we're about to drop. Yep, on our 1 in 5 minute looks like we're about to drop. So everyone pull up CAD CHF. And it looks like it's about to do a pull upwards towards my middle band, which will give us our entry spot for a put. So let's be patient, wait for our entry, and let's get our 30-second put in on CAD CHF. Make sure you guys are on CAD CHF. Hopefully it pulls up to my middle band. I would love to see it pull up a little bit higher than where it's at. Kind of want to enter now, but also I would love to see it pull up to that middle band, be a better entry spot. So let's see, it's just hesitating right now. All right. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and place 30-second puts right here. So I just placed 30-second puts on CAD CHF. And hopefully we'll get that rejection of this middle band here that we're looking for, and we'll bounce to the downside here. Come on, let's get that drop. There we go, there we go. All right, I'm about to clear $112 on this setup, and there we go. All of them are closing right now, and we just cleared all of those. Drop one in the chat if you guys just cleared all of those as well. But with that trade right there, we just put ourselves over the goal. So we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 wins, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 21 and 8. So we're even past our goal. We surpassed the goal with 21 wins and 8 losses. Awesome job, guys. Killer session. Nice, slow, steady pace. I think that this is actually working out a lot better for me to keep it slow with you guys. And it seems like everyone's able to follow along a lot easier when I take it a little bit slower like this. So I'm going to continue to do this for the following month, for the following year in general. Hopefully that helps you guys be able to kind of keep up and follow along with me, so that I'm not going so fast that it's hard to keep up with. I know it gets like when I'm doing like 100 trades in a session, it gets a little crazy, where it may be a little bit hard for some people to keep up. So I think it's a little bit easier with the slower paced sessions like these. But let me know, give me guys, I appreciate any feedback that you guys have. And once again, I appreciate anybody that shares their profits and results in the profits and testimonials channel on Discord. It always helps me, spread the word about what we're doing here. So if you guys want to just share your results in the profits channel, I always appreciate that. But that'll be it for today. Awesome session. Got right to the bag and we're out. So that'll be it for today. But if anybody has any questions at all, as always, just reach out to me and I'll be happy to help you guys out. But in the meantime, this weekend, feel free to dive into TTI Academy, study those videos. And then, yeah, if anybody has any questions, just reach out to me. And no questions or bad questions, I'll be here to help you guys out. But I'll see you guys on Monday for the brand new year. And we'll continue to kill 2021. But everybody enjoy them profits and have a great day.